Good Wednesday afternoon to you. This is Roger Hill with Wuthering Heights Consulting and looking at lake effect plumes working across east of Lakes Ontario as well as Lake Huron and Georgian Bay and an Arctic front that's slowly transiting south. These will organize into a little bit of lines as they move on through. The most concern right now is, we're looking at some lighter snows beginning to fall across the region, mostly interacting with the Green Mountains. And this located up and down the spine of the Green Mountains right now with some main lake effect plumes coming off of Lake Ontario for central Vermont, just a little bit north of Rutland, south of the Mad River Valley region, and crossing parts of southern Addison County and into the heights of land along I-89. Around Brookfield and Williamstown and these particular areas could be affected the most. Also locally around parts of Washington County, we'll see another lake effect plume work its way intersecting the St. Lawrence River Valley around Messina currently, and this will eventually get down into northern parts of Vermont and then sort of sag south. The timing on this looks to be somewhere fairly late in the evening, rather late in the day, and then into this evening, and this could affect the evening commute. But be aware of these kinds of possibilities. The temperatures are certainly cold enough to support this. You can see where the precipitation zooms in off of Lake Ontario. And then also want to call your attention to this particular plume coming in off of Lake Huron that's now intersecting the area around Messina, New York, where it is snowing lightly. And this will be transiting across the northern tier and then eventually working south and east as the Arctic front begins to move through the region. This will set up a real cold night tonight. And then beyond, looks like a pretty decent day overall tomorrow, Thursday. Roger Hill for Wuthering Heights.